Namaste, everyone. This is Harsha Ramaya. So, Friday is a wonderful day wherein I invite some artists, some people who are very creative in their own fields. So, today, जिनको मैंने invite किया है, she is a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful artist, an award-winning artist. और उसके बारे में मैं जितना बोलूं उतना कम है. पर उनका इंट्रोडक्शन देने से पहले I will invite her on screen. बाद में मैं आप सबको उनसे इंट्रोड्यूस कराऊंगी. And today she has brought us Rakhi making. So we will watch that also. Welcome, Pooja ma'am. Hi.
Hello, ma'am. Thank you. Good evening.
गुड इवनिंग मैम, थैंक यू सो मच. हम शो शुरू करें उससे पहले मैं थोड़ा आपका इंट्रोडक्शन ऑडियंस को देना चाहती हूँ सो दैट दे नो यू बेटर. So Pooja Jani ma'am is gold medalist in painting. Wow, ma'am, congratulations. She is also an award winner. नारी रत्न का भी उन्हें अवार्ड मिला है और ऐसे बहुत सारे अवार्ड से पूजा मैम नवाजे गए हैं. She also is associated with lot of NGOs के जिनके साथ वो काम भी करते हैं. बहुत अच्छी बात एक मुझे लगी जो मैं खास पढ़ना चाहूंगी. She gifted a painting to Narendra Modi and achieved honor of being autographed by PM Modi. Wow, ma'am. Wow. Very happy to listen to that. 2017 give an interview, got all wishes from Ranbir Kapoor and gifted an oil painting to him as well. Wow. So ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, बहुत सारी colleges, universities में भी आप lecture लेने के लिए जाती हैं and you are a well-known person in this field. So thank you for giving your time to us, Pooja ma'am. तो ज्यादा मैं time नहीं लूंगी. I will give the all screen to you and I will wait backstage, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Hello, everyone. I'm Pooja Pandit Chani and I'm gold medalist painting artist. And now I'm showing you some the handmade Rakhi. अभी ये सीजन आ रहा है राखी का and we all know that we tie a Rakhi for protection of our brother and to remove all hurdles from his life. So I think Avengers and Marvel, the Captain America and all the characters that which boys love very much. And that is the main thing I am showing you one of Rakhi. This is Captain America thing. So first of all we will learn these Rakhi, right? So for that we will need such kind of paper, glittering papers, which are the theme colors of Captain America, red, blue, and white. Okay. So first of all, we will cut a square of 3 centimeter.
पूजा मैम आप थोड़ा सा loud बोलेंगे तो it will be better. थोड़ा loud.
Okay.
Thank you,
Or
ma'am.
else, okay, ma'am. You can cut a square of 3 centimeters, or you can use this, which is available in every stationery of Bhavnagar. So first of all, we will cut a 3 centimeter square. Just measure it and cut it. Now we have a square of red piece and cut it on a round shape. Okay, so we have such a red round and of a 2 centimeter square, or you can use it by sequence of these three shape of round, right? So we will use now smaller round in a blue shape. We will round in the second layer. Now we have a blue square by which we will shape it in round shape. And in the same way, we will cut in a bigger size in round shape. This one. Hello ma'am, is it audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Should I put it in closer way?
नो मैम, एकदम अच्छे से दिख रहा है और सुन भी रहा है.
Okay ma'am. Now we have a white one, right? So now we will assemble all three marveler round, and we will have such a ready-made star, or we can cut from this white sheet. Now we will assemble like this: blue, red, white, and red. Now we will stick it up. We have fixed 3 layers. Now we will fix last and fourth. So it's ready now. Only we have to do is the stick the above sign of star. Or Marvel Rakhi to protect our brother, to show some talent of us. And we can try such show, right? We can use such kind of a wooden round which is available in every stationery, or we can have some hardened page of our book. So it will be easy to hang it up. Between the two layers, we can fix this thread. Hello everyone. So our Marveler, the Captain America Rakhi is ready now. Now I will show you something new, which is theme penguin, which everyone's favorite character, I think. So I will show them. We will use 3 centimeter of black pepper, a glittering or matte, anything you can use. Or you can use this bigger one round. I think it will be easy to shape this round line up and cut. So I am using this round shape circle. will shape it in round way. We have a glittering black layer, which is a penguin's black color. Now I want to show you something square through which I can shape a heart shape. Now I have to cut in a heart shape, but how? Now I will show you. This is a square. Now all I have to do is this heart's corner is ready, right? All we have to do is round in both sides. So squeeze it in corner way and just cut in round in circular way, right? So our half of heart is ready. Now only we have to shape it. Now shape it in proper way. This way, but heart is a little bit bigger, then we can cut it in smaller way. So we can have some background of black color, so it will be shown in proper way. Now I wanna tell you some tips. When you cut any paper, we have some such wastage, but don't throw that. We can have such cuts through which we can make nose, eyebrows, or any mouth size pieces to stick it up. Now I will make a such triangle to make mouth of penguin. Now I'm going to stick this heart on the leg base. And stick this. And here we have some bindis, which is black. I'm using it for penguin's eyes. So this is a penguin face. And this is our penguin Rakhi. And we can stick both this black round. Use such a Google. I'm just showing you some if you wanna stick some googly eyes, then you can use it. Or else you can just remove it. So it will be fine. Both are very cute looking. So here we have another section of Wonder Car. All boys are a fan of not only Marvels but also some cartoon characters like Pooh, like Wonder Car, and so many things are there. But I will show you the next Rakhi of Wonder Car. First of all, I will draw a car shape so I can cut and stick it on this Rakhi. For that, I am using red color. You can use any type of color of your wish, but right now I am using red. You will get idea after my cutting, so don't hesitate. I will show you by cutting. This way you have to cut. It looks like a cloud shape, but I'm going to make car. So this is the front and this is the back. And we have to make white eyes but in a square shape. And also there is a vestige. For it I can use and make a car eye. This is square. And this is a bigger one. And I'm going to round its corner. This is a car's mirror, front view mirror, a glass of a front view. I'm going to make a smile from this corner. You can see it. All you have to do is just cut this. Okay. So this is a smile of a Wonder Car. And in this car we need wheels. So I'm making in half circle. Just cut in middle way and round it from one side. Half circle of black paper. So here we have two parts of red color. So this is the base of a wonder car on which I am going to stick a white square. I have drawn two eyes, but you can use a bubbly eyes also, which is option you have. This kind a little square, which is headlight of car. So stick it. All you have to do to stick a square white square paper, which is glittering or matte, whatever you want. This smiley, now I'm sticking the smiley on this part. This is wonder car base, but now I'm going to stick two half round circle tire on back side and another is on another side. Now I'm going to stick it. So we have our wonder car in a Rakhi shape, and we can tie on our brother's wrist. And this black and white thread is ready to stick on behind. All you have to do is to stick this thread by another packing. So you just have to stick it. So our wonder car Rakhi is ready now. In last, I will show you all Rakhi. Now everyone knows who character. So I'm going to use this yellow thread and going to pom pom. Everyone knows the pom pom method, right? But also you can also use a ready-made pom pom. But I'm going to make it right now. This is a rough way. I'm going to show you some initial method. This is the round shape of thread. Going to tie. in middle way. This is a rough way. Just cut it out from the middle. You can cut it from both sides. So your rough size pom-pom will look like this. But now I have chopped it from every side and make it very softer, like in this way. And everyone knows the Pooh character, right? All I have done is use a black pepper and cut it out in round shape. This is a nose, this is eyebrows, and this is a pepper which is washable. For that, you have to do is use any corner of a paper, cut it in a triangle shape. Now cut in circular shape from both sides and keep a corner one side. So it will be ear of a Pooh. Now stick this corner with a Fevicol or any type of glue you want and just insert in the pom-pom. It will be ear of Pooh. Okay, you can also use this glittering paper to make ears or also made finished work. Okay, so it will be your wish work. I'm going to insert this glittering paper and going to shape it from another side. Just stick through gum. And this is my finished ears, or you can use a glittering ears. Okay. You can also use a bubbly eye. It will look, I will show you how it looks like. But Pooh's eyes are so smaller, so it will be better we can use a smaller eye. But though you can use a googly eye in small size. There are also some ready shapes in stationery which is easily available. This is another way to prepare a Rakhi in Marveler theme. We can use all Marveler theme colors, and there are stars which are available in every colors. So all we have to do is just stick it up in proper way, and we will have another Rakhi. Okay. Now I'm going to show another card which I have cut in a card shape. And I have drawn by white and black color to show its window. This is a side pose of car, and another we have prepared in earlier basis, which was a front look of car. So only we have to do is to stick this button, or we can use a black color cuttings of circular in circular shape. first I'm going to stick this matte finish black colors round circular shape cutting. Black color round punch. So this is the front look of Rakhi. Only we have to do is to stick the thread of Rakhi, and we have ready our wonder card Rakhi. So this is our wonder card Rakhi. Button. Or also you can use a bubbly eye on instead of wheels. चलो एक बार हम साथ में एक सारी जो भी बनाई है राखी हम वो एक बार देख लेते हैं. Hope you guys enjoyed the making process of Rakhi. This is the Rakhi process. Hope you guys enjoy it. Hello, ma'am.
Hi. Yes, it was really wonderful, Pooja ma'am. बहुत अच्छे से और क्या themes आपने दी है. Captain Marvel, Winnie the Pooh वाली theme, कार. I'm sure parents भी बहुत enjoy करेंगे जब बच्चे ये बनाएंगे. And so easy to make. मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता था इससे पहले कि राखी बनाना मतलब कितना बड़ा टास्क है. लेकिन आज जब आपने हमें दिखाया तो मुझे लगता है कि कितना इजी है. आपने कितनी चुटकियों में ये अच्छी राखियां बना दी. थैंक यू सो मच मैम. थैंक यू सो मच.
It will be easy for every age of children, so
yes,
everyone can make it in easy way and use it in proper way.
और ये जो सारे पेपर्स हैं पूजा मैम ये स्टेशनरी शॉप में इजीली मिल जाते हैं ना.
हाँ सारे इजीली अवेलेबल है स्टेशनरी. मैंने ये भावनगर की स्टेशनरी से ही लिए हैं.
करेक्ट करेक्ट. वंडरफुल. मतलब बहुत ही इजी. सिर्फ थोड़ी सी स्टेंसिल और कटिंग थोड़ा सा हमारा क्रिस्प हो तो अच्छे से हम राखी बना सकते हैं. ये पेंगुइन वाली राखी तो एकदम क्यूट लग रही है. ऐसा लग रहा है कि कितनी क्यूट लग रही है ये राखी. बहुत सुंदर बहुत सुंदर.
ये पू में थोड़ा मतलब ये नोज शेप थोड़ा आगे पीछे हो सकता है क्योंकि ये पॉम्पॉम के ऊपर किया है ना.
राइट. बट बहुत ही सुंदर सारी कार. कैप्टन मार्वल तो ये तो मेरी फेवरेट थीम है कैप्टन मार्वल वाली. तो वो तो मैं जरूर से मैं मेरी बेटी को बोलूंगी कि वो बनाए. बट डेफिनेटली पूजा मैम थैंक यू सो मच इतने क्रिएटिव आइडियाज के लिए। और मैं थोड़ा ये भी कहना चाहती हूँ पूजा मैम कि आपके पास और बहुत सारे आइडियाज हैं, तो हम फ्यूचर में भी आपके साथ थोड़े शोज करना चाहेंगे, ताकि हम ऑडियंस को क्रिएटिव आइडियाज दे सकें। तो डेफिनेटली वी
Okay,
विल
ma'am.
बी
You
इन
can call
टच
me
विद यू,
anytime for any
और
kind
कुछ
of
नए
craft
शोज
or
लेकर
any
हम आएंगे।
kind of painting. Thank you, ma'am. It will be my
Thank
pleasure, and I hope you guys, everyone, enjoy it.
thank you so much Pooja ma'am, thank you so much, bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye. See you again. Bye.
So before So before signing out and saying goodbye, I hope you enjoyed today's show, and lot more is lined up on this page, on this group, on this handle. So be there, stay tuned every single day. Do log in and look out what we have for you tomorrow. So don't forget.
So this is Harsha signing off for today. But yes, I'm coming back right at 7 p.m. here on this page, this show, because we are going to unveil the team of our parent station group. So stay tuned. Bye bye. Thank you.